Hey, what's up, fam? This is Darren Brown with Darmac Builders coming to you on a beautiful day. I would say a rainy day in Florida. And I'm just going by one of my jobs, and we're starting putting the finishing touches, putting the appliances in. And the countertop is not completely done, but we have some little things that we got to sort out. Nothing that you can't handle. And that's why I always try to like come show you my jobs to let you know it's not like on TV that everything is in 30 minutes. Okay. We have some stuff that we're going to do here where you see some repair work. I believe we're going to put um, a marble based backing on here, just similar to this countertop here. Cabinets are in. You see the oven there. This is where the cooktop is going to go. The undermount sink. It's coordinating everything. This is the pantry sink. More cabinets. And if you love cabinets, this is the place to be. And here's the appliances where we're getting ready to install. So we have our work cut out. This is where the fine tuning, where you definitely cross your T's, you dot your I's, you do the things that you need to do in order for it to be a complete success. So I put my finishing hat on as far as when it comes onto this. When I'm building from ground up with the foundation block, tie beams, roof trusses, and everything. You build a structure. Hey, I want this building to stand the test of time. I want this building to stand throughout the hurricanes. So you got a different mindset. Here, it's a more appealing. Hey, company comes over, guests come over. They looking at the finished product because they can care less about the structure of the property. So this is where I am now, and hopefully before the holidays we can have this all completed, because we really don't have any lead items. You heard me talk about lead items. There's nothing that I'm waiting on that is going to prevent us from doing this. So it's just a matter of, hey, organizing, people doing what they have to do. And then also too, you got subs that's working with other people, so they got to get their schedule together. And hopefully we can get this done before Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you understand it. And let's see what we look like going forward. This is your boy coming to you live. Peace.